Hello friends, do you know how to use simple present tense? In this video, we will discuss about how to use simple present tense in our sentence. Let us look at the things. In the first sentence, the first point, it explains about the habits and the routines, which is means we are doing the things regularly, generally, always, some, seldom, occasionally. Generally, when we are using this type of frequency adverbs, often, occasionally, seldom, rarely, we are using the simple present tense. Like they go to school regularly. He does his work frequently. So when we are using this type of frequency adverbs, generally we are using simple present tense. So the rules of the simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 plus subject. Verb 1 equal to present tense or present form of the verb. Like suppose it is the rule is subject plus verb 1 plus subject. Subject, suppose he is a subject. Go, V1 plus ES, this goes, he goes to school. So it is called the object, this is called the verb 1 plus ES, this is called the subject. So this is the first rule of simple present tense. In the case of when we are doing something in a regular basis, in that case we can use simple present tense. So let us discuss about the second point. In the case of permanent situation. So permanent situation means it is for a long period. It is not like certain we are not doing for a certain purpose like the continuous section. It is for a long term purpose. Suppose I work as a teacher. Suppose the sentence is I work as a teacher. I subject work verb as a teacher means I am not doing my work. I am not doing my work for a period of time. It is my regular action. Generally, my profession is a teacher. If someone doing something for a period of time, I am working as a teacher. You can use it. But in the case of generally, I am doing the work regularly. In that case, we will use I work as a simple present tense. In the case of permanent situation, like I drive my car on weekends. When I drive my car on weekends. So it is also one type of timetable. It is also one regular action. So in this case also we will use simple present tense. Next one is the regular timetable. The train leaves at 8 p.m. Generally the train leaves at which time? In 8 p.m. So in the case of regular action, regular timetable, we can use simple present tense. Next one is the here and there. Generally we are using these rules on the basis of this rule subject plus verb 1 plus exclamatory mark. There are 4 type of sentences are there, that is a declarative, imperative, exclamatory and interrogative. Exclamatory means when you are strange, in that case we can use exclamatory sentence. So in simple present tense, here and there, subject plus verb 1 plus exclamatory. So here comes the teacher. Here comes the teacher. There goes the thief. So in this case, here Virat Kohli takes the catch. So in this case, we will use simple present tense. Next one is the commentary. Yuvraj Singh hit 6 sixes in an over. So in the case of it is a action which is now it is not the continuous action, it's a general action. Okay, it is the duty of a cricketer. So in this case we can use simple present tense and the be verb as a main verb. Be verb as a main verb means suppose the sentence is he is a doctor. He is a doctor. But when we think about the rules of present continuous tense, in the case of present continuous tense, is plus verb 1 plus ing. Generally we are using, but here there is there. There is no more verb 1 and ing we can found in this sentence. Means this sentence is the be verb is, am, are, was, were, the be verb is using as a main verb. It is a singular case in the case of he is a doctor. So principal verb means the main verb. He, in this sentence, the be verb, it is we are using as a principal verb. So in that case also we can use simple present tense. Next one is have as a possessive verb. I have a car. I have a car. So when we will, in the case of possessive, we can use simple present tense, zero conditional and past conditional. So generally conditional sentences means where we are required one condition. In the case of conditional cases, zero conditional means we can use the sentence E plus, zero conditional means E plus simple present equal to simple present. Means generally in the case of scientific truth, general truth, which is truth for you, which is truth for me, which is truth for everyone, in that case we can use zero conditional. So in the case of zero conditional, we can use simple present tense. If we heat water at 100 degrees Celsius, it evaporates. So it is a natural thing, it is a scientific truth also. So in this case also we can use simple present tense. And the last but not the least, the past conditional. Generally we are using in our sentence if. In the case of first one, if plus simple present equal to simple future. So in the case of if you work hard, you will get success. So in this sentence we are using simple present tense, and in the second sentence we are using simple future tense. So generally when you will write the paragraph writing, the essay which is based on recent topics, and generally 90% case we are using simple present tense when you will maintain the conversation with any other person. In the case of frequently you are doing something, and simple present we are using in each and every in the each and every case which is not related to the past and future, we can use simple present tense. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe it. Thank you friends.